In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can be in with a chance of winning a copy of Cursed City. Hi everyone, and welcome to a bit of a different brushstroke painting guide video, where this is going to be my first ever giveaway. So the channel is very quickly approaching the huge milestone of 10,000 subscribers, and every video I start off by saying a massive thank you to all those that have given me your support and followed me from the start. So this is kind of my way of saying thank you and hopefully rewarding someone with a great prize. Now, if you're not familiar with what this box set is, it's the latest in the Warhammer Quest range from Games Workshop, and it sold out very, very quickly when it went on pre-release. And it's only thanks to the great guys at Element Games who have managed to secure me a copy that I'm able to do this giveaway. So a huge thank you to them and the support they give to this channel. Please do check out the link that I've put in the description below. They sell pretty much every tabletop game you can think of and at great discount prices too, so definitely worth checking out. Okay, back to why you're watching this video, and that's to win this awesome box set. Let's have a quick look at what's in the box and what you could have a chance to win. This box is filled with models. You've got 60 in total. That's 8 heroes, 42 enemies, 10 objective markers, you've got different room tiles, the full game's rules. It's a complete game in a box. In my opinion, this box has some of the best looking models that have come out in a long time. Whether you're a painter or a gamer, I'm pretty sure you can find a use for these in any game system that you want to play. The heroes themselves are showcase pieces, each and every one of them. There's hordes of skeletons, zombies, ogres. It's just fantastic. I always said if I was ever going to do a giveaway for my channel, I would want to offer a prize that I would desperately want to win, and I think this is it. Okay, so the burning question, what do you need to do in order to be able to win this fantastic prize? Well, you'll be pleased to know it's really simple. All I need you to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then add a comment on this video. Now, your comment doesn't need to be anything in particular. You can tell me which is your favorite model in the game, why you think you deserve it, or just gimme, gimme, gimme. As long as you add a comment, that's all that matters. So it's just subscribe, like, and comment. Simple as that. I'll be announcing the winner on the 24th of April, so you've got a little while, but get clicking those buttons, and best of luck everyone. Thanks for watching. See you soon.